everyone, I'm Michael Ginn with King Canada Tools. Breaking down sheet goods is difficult, time-consuming, and hard to manage for just one person. You can freehand with a circular saw, but it does lack the precision of a table saw. And that's where tracksaws come in. And the KC-8365 is just the tool for your shop.
Pushing 4x8 sheets through a conventional table saw can be done, but only in a large shop, and it isn't the safest of operations. That's why a small, powerful, and precise tool like the KC-8365 is such a welcome addition. This 6.5-inch plunge saw is packed with convenience and safety features, including variable speed control from 2000 to 6000 RPM to accommodate different materials and depths of cut, a fully shrouded blade, 1-liter dust management compartment, and blade lock for easy blade change. The hex key for blade removal is stored on the power cord, and the flat-sided blade cover allows for close-to-the-wall free plunge cuts requiring only 11/16 of an inch clearance. Featuring a powerful 120-volt 12-amp soft-start motor with constant torque technology and combined with precision aluminum tracks like the accessory KW300, you can rip or cross-cut large sheets with amazing accuracy, repeatability, and much safer operation than other alternatives. To cut sheet goods, first make a test cut to trim the rubber splinter guard to the exact cut line of the blade. Then simply measure and mark the desired length from one reference edge. Next, place the cutting edge of the track on each mark, creating a representation of the cut you need to make. Seat the saw into the grooves of the track, set the desired cutting depth, and plunge the saw into the beginning of the cut, continuing forward until you reach the other side, allowing the saw to retract from the material. You will be left with a clean, accurate cut without having to juggle large pieces or contend with table saw kickback. This track saw really shines when you need to make angled cuts or when cutting oddly shaped pieces. Simply mark the start and stop points of the cut, connect them with the 50-inch track, and cut away without any risk of kickback. For extra security, the optional KW303 clamps slide into each side of the track, ensuring no movement or shifting during the cut and the best results. This saw has more tricks up its sleeve when you need to cut a long miter too. Accommodating cuts from 0 to 48 degrees, you can dial in repeatable cuts to join your pieces. And to reduce splintering on laminated material like melamine, you can set your first pass to just score the material down to as little as 1/10 of an inch deep, and then come back for a full depth cut of up to 2 1/8 inches at 90 degrees or 1.5 inches at 45 degrees. To maximize what this tool can do, consider adding accessories like a second track with connectors allowing you 100 inches of track to rip a full 8-foot sheet, dust chute step adapter to run the saw with a vacuum, and a track storage bag to keep your shop tidy when the job is done.
To learn more about this and other King Canada tools, contact your local dealer or check out the website at kingcanada.com.